If you've ever tried to post a big video or other large file to a Telegram channel and weren't sure how to do it, this video is going to make it super simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share large files on Telegram channels, and I'll also point out an important limit you need to know before you start. Remember, if you want to send files larger than 2 GB, you need Telegram Premium. So in this video, I'm showing you how to send files up to 2 GB step by step using Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web on your PC. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and useful tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web on your computer and go to the channel where you want to post the file. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that you have permission to post in that channel. Once you're inside the channel, look for the message box at the bottom of the screen. Next to it, you'll see the Paperclip icon. That is the attach button, and it's what you'll use to upload your file. Click the Paperclip icon, then browse your computer and find the large file you want to share. You can either double-click the file to begin uploading it, or if that's easier, just drag and drop the file directly into the message area. Telegram will start preparing the upload, and depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a little time. While it uploads, you can wait for the progress to finish before moving to the next step. Once the file is loaded, you can enter a caption if you want to add a title, a short description, or any extra context for your audience. This is helpful if you're sharing a tutorial video, a document, or any important media and want people to understand what it is right away. After you've added your caption, take one last look to make sure the file is correct and everything looks good. When you're ready, click send. Telegram will post the file directly into your channel and your subscribers will be able to view or download it from there. That's all it takes to share large files on Telegram channels. Just remember the key limit. Without Telegram Premium, you can send files up to 2 GB and anything larger will require an upgraded plan. If this guide saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.